In the heart of Africa's wetlands lives a bird so rare and mysterious that many call it a living dinosaur. The shoebill stork, with its striking appearance and unusual behavior, has fascinated scientists and wildlife lovers alike. Today we journey into the swamps to uncover the secrets of this prehistoric-looking creature. Shoebills inhabit the remote swamps and wetlands of Central and East Africa, particularly in countries like Uganda, Zambia, and Sudan. These wetlands are their kingdom, a place where tall grasses and still waters hide both predators and prey. For the shoebill, silence and patience are survival tools. Here, away from human eyes, they thrive in an environment that has remained almost unchanged for thousands of years. At first sight, the shoebill seems almost unreal. Standing up to 5 feet tall with a wingspan of more than 2.5 meters, it towers over many other birds of the wetlands. Its most remarkable feature is, of course, its massive, shoe-shaped beak, strong enough to crush the toughest prey. Combined with its intense stare, this bird has an appearance that seems to come straight out of prehistoric times.
The hunting style of the shoebill is unlike that of most birds. It stands completely motionless, sometimes for hours, waiting for the perfect moment. With lightning speed, it strikes, capturing fish such as lungfish and tilapia, but also frogs, snakes, and even small crocodiles. Its powerful beak not only seizes but also crushes, ensuring that no prey can escape once caught.
Because of this extraordinary hunting technique, locals call the shoebill the bird that doesn't move. Its ability to remain perfectly still makes it almost invisible within the swamp. Only when the moment is right does this silent hunter reveal its true power. Sadly, this extraordinary bird faces an uncertain future. Fewer than 5,000 shoebills remain in the wild today. Their habitats are shrinking due to human activity and illegal capture, for the exotic bird trade further threatens their survival. Conservation groups are now working to protect these wetlands and ensure that this prehistoric-looking bird continues to exist for generations to come. Majestic, mysterious and rare, the Shoebill Stork is more than just a bird. It is a living reminder of Earth's ancient past. Watching it is like stepping into another time when creatures of incredible design roamed our world. Protecting the shoebill means protecting a unique part of nature's history.